Good morning, students. How are you? Let us start Unit 2, Marigold, Class 5. Teamwork. So, teamwork is a poem in Unit 2. This video has central idea of the poem, means what is all about this poem, what is the theme of this poem, and second, new words used in this chapter. Let us start with central idea, teamwork. Observe this picture. It has two separate game pictures. One is relay race, one is human chain. In relay race, a girl is passing something to that boy. That something, that stick is called as baton. And this is relay race in which one member pass baton to next member and next member to next member, and the last member completes the race. Okay, so none of the member runs for entire race, but team wins. Means it reduces the effort of the individual. Team reduces the effort of individual. For the victory of team, everyone works. So any goal can be achieved with the help of a good team. Okay. In next part, next is this. This is they are making human chain. So by human chain, they can reach any law. Okay. So this is all about central idea of the poem, that unity is strength. Unity is strength. If we work as a team, we can achieve any goal easily. Why easily? Because each member is contributing to achieve the goal. Okay. So teamwork is important to achieve any goal. So it makes things possible which an individual cannot do. So we should respect team. We should work in a team. We should respect our role in the team. So this poem is all about. Detail of this poem you can read, or I will make a separate video for the poem. You can find I link above. Okay. So let us start new words. New words. First is teamwork. As name of the poem, teamwork. What is the teamwork? Look at this. This is human chain. They are catching each other like this. So this is joint effort. Teamwork means joint effort by many individuals. Joint effort. And the sentence can be teamwork is helpful for everyone. So teamwork is beneficial for everyone. Next word is hoop. Hoop. Look at this. This kind of ring. This kind of ring is called as hoop, in which the basket is to complete. Okay, so in basketball, each member put the ball in the hoop. And the sentence can be meaning is loop or ring. Basketball game has two hoops. Okay, each team has one hoop to save and another hoop to basket. Next is pass. Move forward. Look at this picture. A boy is passing ball to another boy. A boy is passing ball to another boy. So this is called as pass. So in football game, one member pass ball to another member. This can be sentence. In another sentence can be in relay race, one member passes the baton to another member. This can be another sentence. So I have not written the sentence because you may write a sentence with pass in comment box. Okay. Next is relay race. A relay race is a type of race in which team runs. One member run from certain distance to another distance, and the next member run from here to next distance. So it can be 4 members running different part of the race. So team relay race is a type of race in which a team participates. And sentence can be, last year our team won the relay race. Next is baton. What is baton? Look at the picture in their hand, but one is giving to another. This kind of tube is called as baton, which is used in relay race. A short tube or stick used in relay race is called as baton. A sentence can be, baton is used in relay race. Okay. Next word is passes. Look at this. This man is giving the baton to the another man. Another man will give two baton to the next member, and the last member will take that baton to the end point. Okay, so this giving baton one member to another member is called as passes, that we have just read. Move forward. So word can be, in relay race, one player passes the baton to the next player. Okay. Thank you. If you like the channel, subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you.